2005 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 liters engine. So we are replacing the power steering belt for this car. So it's not really easy to remove the belt, because as you can see in here, it's on the inner side. So there's also on, if you can see that, there's one belt before that. So this one, the newer one, that one, that's for the alternator belt, and this is your power steering belt. In order to remove this one, you need to remove that first, the alternator belt. So I will be showing to you how to remove both the belt, the alternator belt and the power steering belt. It's gonna be tight in here, but I guess that's the best shot I can give it to you. So that's your engine. It's a 2.0 liters engine, 4-cylinder, 2005 Hyundai. We call it Hyundai in Philippines, in Asia, Hyundai Tucson. But here they say Hyundai Tucson something, I don't know. So okay, so the first thing that we need to do is probably make some room in here. So we are going to remove this, and I think this one too. So let's start it. So let's remove this first, this bracket. So we're using number 10. Oops, out of the way. So, okay, let's put it here, and nice. So that's the bracket, and also there's one bracket in here, so let's remove it. Okay, nice. So now we can move this over here, right there. So now at least we have some room. Wow, okay, look at this. So now at least we could see the belt. So that's the alternator belt, the newer one, and that's the power steering belt. So in order to remove the alternator belt, we need to loosen the bolt underneath. There's a one bolt underneath for the alternator. I'm going to show it here. So right here. So I already removed the splash guard. So there's a splash guard in here. Okay, and right there. See that right there, the block right there on the top of this filter right here. This one, loosen this one. So let's loosen this one. Then after we loosen that one, okay, let's go on the top. I couldn't show it to you, it's gonna be hard, but there is, I think, right there. That's number 12, so we need to loosen that. See it? This one. That's number 12. So that's number 12. It here. Let's loosen that. There you go. Oops, I need the light. So let's loosen that. Yeah, oops. That's a bad sign. So I think that's good enough. And also there is somewhere over here. I know it's gonna be tight, but this is very important. There's also I think number 12 right there. Oh boy, no way, I couldn't. Right there. Where are you? Holy smoking. Wow, I don't know if you could see that. On the side there's number 12. Oh boy, where's that? I don't know if you could see it. So this is your number 12, so this one. So that's, you need to loosen this too. There you go. I already loosened this one, and also I already loosened the one at the bottom. So that's number 12 at the bottom. All are number 12. So there's like 3 that need to be loosened. Okay, and after that, now use a fry bar, then put this in here, and then just push it. And also, see this thing, this one, it's better to remove it. Not really remove it, just so use a hammer. Sometimes it's stuck in there. Alright, so we can now lift this one from that group. So look at this. So now we can just push it, just push like that. And now we can use this one. So because we need to push okay, this alternator backward. So use this one like that. I don't know if you could see it. I know it's gonna be tough. Now I think the belt is loose now. Oh yeah, look at this. It's already loose, but I think I need more. Hold on. Now the belt is loose. We can now remove it. So I'm using this one. Yeah, we can remove it right there. Come on. There you go. See that? Okay. So I'm just gonna push it. There you go. Alright, so the alternator belt is off now. And as you can see in here, I'm using this pry bar. It's really tough to show it to you. So you sneak in there and then do like this, so that alternator will go backwards. Okay, so next one, now we could remove this power steering belt. So there's one bolt in here, right there. You could see that. So right there, and that's number 14. That's number 14. So let's loosen it. Okay, now it's loose. There's also number 14 over here on that side, but it's just that it's so hard to show it to you. Like at the bottom of this, see this? At the bottom there's also bolts, so there's 2 bolts for this power steering pump. So just loosen it. So one in here, like this one, and at the bottom, so I won't be able to show it to you, so I'm using a long number 14 one over here, then loosen it. Okay, so I already loosened the bottom bolt. So like I said, underneath this pulley for your power steering belt. Now in order to loosen this belt, we need again a pry bar, and then sneak it underneath in here like that, and then push it like that. There you go. See that? When you turn it back, just push it in here. I can show it to you again. Okay, so the way we do it, insert in here, then push. There you go. Now I think the belt is loose. So that's the belt. Oh yeah, it's loose now. So now we can just remove it using this stick. It's aluminum stick now. There you go. Now we can remove it. So it, okay, come on, this. There you go. So this is your power steering belt. Alright, so like I said before, you can get this power steering belt, you need to remove the alternator belt first, and that's what we did in here. And I'll show you, and I did show you how to remove it. There's only like 2 bolts, so that's 3 bolts actually. So just loosen it underneath, and then loosen on the side, and then there's one in here, and then remove the thing, the bolt on the middle. Alright, that's it. That's how you remove belt. I'm gonna show you the installation part, but that would be another video. So I had also some diagram in here for better understanding. So this is your bulb cover. So if you remember, we removed this bracket. So this is the bracket, this one. Okay, so this one is facing like that, and then see this is the one that we loosened. I think we had a better, hold on, here, over here. So this is your bulb cover. Okay, so we already removed the bracket in here, so that's the number 14 that we loosened. There's also one more bolt somewhere in here under the pulley, and then we loosen it by using a pry bar. This, see this? So we use this to loosen this. push it forward, I mean backwards, in order so we could remove the belt. Okay, so everything is, you know, in order. So there's a procedure that we did, and also on, that's how it looks like, the belt. So this is your power steering pump, and I think this is your, somewhere on the, it's a pulley, I'm not sure what is this, harmonic balancer or something, not sure. And also for the alternator, so this is what we did. So we remove this one, we lift this bolt, we lift it up, we loosen this one, and then there's one also bolt at the back of this, on this side. Okay, so but this one, there's also one, like one pulley in here that is connected, not only to this one. See this is your alternator, one over here going on here. So everything has a diagram, had a procedure. So we're not be doing some, you know, mistake or something. All right, so installation, it's gonna be a different video.